So what we're doing today is we're going to stain some of the untreated wood and the deck, and we'll see how far we get with that.
So where are you going to start, up top?
Yeah, I want to make the deck needs to be done.
Oh, okay.
If I got enough to, you can come up the ladder if you want.
I will. So what's the size of the deck?
So the deck now is 4 foot by 5 foot.
Right.
So we're going to add some more room in the front. It's a little tight for bows. It should have been 6 by 6 in hindsight, but I mean, for bow hunting season, you can open it right up. You know, you don't even have to put you don't even have to put windows in it.
Mm-hmm.
You know, you just need openings that you can shoot from. I mean, the original stand was 30 by 30, and it was fine.
30 inches by 30 inches. That's not very much space.
No.
But it was adequate.
Well, the platform was that you're sitting on. That's what I used to shoot out of.
Yeah.
You know, so this is palatial compared to.
Oh, you've gone up to a whole new level.
Mm-hmm.
Is this the same stuff as on the cabin veranda?
Yeah, same,
Porch, whatever we're going to call it.
same stuff.
So it's really red. It's not really brown.
Brown.
I don't know. We took a poll. Now, actually, the older it is, it actually looks more brown than it ever did before. When you first put it on the wood of the cabinet, it looked pretty red.
All right. Well,
So you're just doing one coat?
Yeah. Well, I just wanted to get it on top here because this is what gets the rain the most.
Yeah. Well, I've been lucky since you guys put this up last Saturday that it put the decking on it. Hasn't rained much. We got a little bit, but not much.
Well, in the early season, you know, I mean, we may have to use it with no windows in it for the archery season and just add the, you know, put the windows on for if we decide to use it for rifle season.
So what are you going to use for windows, do you know?
Well, the tentative plan is to the garage doors, the wooden garage doors that we have.
Oh, leftover from Uncle Norman's change out.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I've cut them into single panes, like single windows.
Right.
And we'll see how that works out.
So what happens if the deer come in the back way? You just wait for them to come around front?
Yeah, you have to. I mean, if you had an open, most archery stands are open, and you can get the sit-in blinds, but a lot of blinds like this are usually open, so you can shoot in 360 degrees.
Oh, okay.
But most of the time you want to face it towards where you're shooting. I mean, the traffic area is coming from here, here, and here. This is an intersection of 3 different areas. Now they do come in behind, but usually when they come in behind, they're nervous. And if they're nervous, you're going to have a hard time getting them anyways.
Well, they can walk through under the stand anyhow.
Oh yeah.
Come out front.
They do come from this way, but you got to wait for this direction here. The one I got last year in rifle season, it came from behind, came underneath the stand, and walked right in front where the truck is there.
Oh, okay. What was that? Was that the 11 point?
That's 11 point, yeah.
Or 5 by 6, however. This is the fadeaway stain, not the solid stuff, is it?
No, it's a semi-translucent.
Right. So it just wears off
Yeah.
with the weather.
And
So how you're going to build it? build it out in the front. So you add, how many inches are you gonna add in the front?
Well, we're gonna add as much as it looks like. Once I frame it in and we put the angle out, I'd like to add it at least a foot. You know, maybe 10 inches. We're gonna bring our bows up here and we're gonna sit down. We're gonna frame it out.
Right.
And then sit down and see if we can shoot sitting down.
Okay.
If we can shoot sitting down and the bows don't hit anything, then that's where we're going to be.
Okay, are you actually going to bring the butt and shoot at the butt?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, that's a good idea. How long do you think it'll take the deer to adjust to this?
I think the deer, once a month or two, once it's here, they're going to be fine. The deer are so used to construction. I mean, they're in farmland, right? Look at the cabin. I mean, we built the cabin in the first year. The deer were walking right by it.
True.
Look at the garden.
Yeah, they're still eating the potatoes.
Put a scarecrow up and they still walk in there. They're not even worried about a person standing there.
Yeah. Well, that's the thing we got to do is move that today. Put it in the middle.
Yeah, we should try that maybe.
Yeah.
Might be a good idea.
Can't hurt.
No. Boards over there.
Okay. I can do that. I can move those boards. Do you hear something? Do you see something?
Twigs now.
I worry more about the snorting.
What's that?
I say I worry more about the snorting, and like when the bears are going, you know, snorting like a dog.
Yeah.
Yeah. Only heard that a time or two.